Welcome all SpherNova innovators. Today we're pulling back the curtain on the very foundation of our success, the SpherNova marketing program. This isn't just about launching products, it's about meticulously planning, executing, and measuring every strategic move we make. Before we delve into our first marketing program, and can track a single lead or calculate a KPI, we need an environment that speaks the language of business. This is the SandtabLEAP application platform. It isn't just an ERP application, it is a comprehensive suite designed to build integrated transactional ERP, planning modules, advanced multi-layer process data views, and interactive dashboards from the ground up, thus simulating any business's digital footprints. The core of our platform is the business-specific template. Think of this as a complete DNA strand for a business unit. Within a single template, you don't just get a pre-built app, you get an integrated module suite where you design the data model with SQL, create 100% customizable layouts with a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, and write the business logic that brings those controls to life. You are the architect, creating everything from the database schema to the final button the user clicks. A world-class simulation requires world-class data management. SandtabLEAP simplifies this through 4 key pillars. Integrated DBMS. First, it has built the database design tools directly into the platform, allowing consultants to architect database tables without leaving the IDE. Second, seamless data transfer. Its data import and export tools ensure that the SandtabLEAP ecosystem can communicate with data stored in widely used document format, including CSV and Excel. Third, advanced processing. To turn raw numbers into strategic plans, its transformation tools allow consultants to reshape existing data, specifically for high-level reporting. And finally, centralized document library. No more searching for lost code. SandtabLEAP's built-in library manages script snippets and logic references, ensuring that consultants' best solutions are accessible across the entire organization. For the SME owner and the management student, the spreadsheet is home. That's why our advanced reporting tool creates an environment that feels similar like a structured Microsoft Excel model. Consultants can build complex models with custom user inputs, expressions, and a suite of standard and custom functions. This allows them to create any number of reports pertaining to finance, tax, planning, and forecast and analytics. This is coupled with a standard template-based dashboard that features advanced data mapping and robust access control, ensuring the right insights reach the right eyes. Now let's talk about the heavy lifting. While our data models follow standard SQL, the business logic behind our modules is powered by C#. But here is the SpherNova difference. You don't need to be a software developer to master it. We have designed our scripting engine for consulting-level acumen, not deep-level programming. If you are comfortable building formulas in Excel, you can write SpherNova logic with just 1 week of training. Why C#? Because it provides a clean, beautiful syntax. We avoid the shorthand obfuscation found in other languages. This makes your logic readable, editable, and, most importantly, maintainable by any business consultant. Our platform provides a suite of inbuilt objects. These objects handle the complex tasks, like loading data from the database or managing memory, through simple properties and methods. You focus on the business logic, the platform handles the computer science. By breaking logic down into small, reusable packets of methods and functions, a single consultant can build a complete, professional-grade ERP and planning suite from a blank canvas. Now that we've seen the engine room, this powerful, consultant-led platform that democratizes complex ERP building, it's time to see it in action. A tool this powerful deserves a mission of equal ambition. We return now to our strategic core, the SpherNova marketing program. Because our platform allows for custom data models and readable C# logic, we aren't just running an ad campaign, we are building a verifiable, data-driven launchpad. Let's look at our first live application, the Hyderabad Management Student Pilot Program. For the Hyderabad pilot, we aren't manually calculating our success. We've written small, readable packets of logic that interact with our program modules in real time. The SpherNova marketing program is our strategic container, A defined initiative with clear objectives, assigned ownership, and a meticulously allocated budget. Think of it as the master plan for conquering a new market or launching a new feature. Why is this structure so vital? Because at our inception, vague aspirations won't cut it. We demand precision. Our programs aren't just about getting the word out. They're about validating our vision with hard data. This is where our chosen KPIs, our key performance indicators, become our compass. For our Hyderabad pilot, we've locked in targets from these yardsticks. At first is the customer acquisition cost. It measures how efficiently we gain new users. At second, we have customer satisfaction. It measures how delighted our users are with the SpherNova experience. Third being the lead conversion rate. It measures the effectiveness of turning interest into commitment. And finally, the customer lifetime value. It measures the long-term revenue potential of each acquisition. These aren't just numbers, they're the heartbeat of our strategic validation. These programs are the strategic head, but they rely on an entire ecosystem. Programs define the what and why, but campaigns are the how. Our college workshops and SME demo days are campaigns. These campaigns generate leads, which our sales team nurtures into opportunities, ultimately converting into sales and loyal accounts. Every piece of data from initial lead to final sale feeds back into validating our program's success. This dependency highlights why every module from campaign management to lead tracking is crucial for our overarching program goals. So, how do we capture and process all this critical information? This leads us to the technical heart of SpherNova, our robust data model. This isn't just about storing data, it's about building a digital backbone for intelligent decision-making. Let's dive into the sequel. Our journey begins with the program table itself. Presented as the script on screen. Program ID, our unique identifier. Program name, the strategic initiative's clear title. Crucially, Program Owner ID links directly to our Human Resources module, ensuring accountability with a qualified manager. We define a budgeted cost and track actual cost in real time. And the status column manages the life cycle from planned to active to complete. This table is the financial anchor of every strategic initiative. Now, to truly measure success, we break down our goals. Program goal houses the qualitative objectives, like acquisition efficiency. But the real power comes from the program KPI table. Here, each goal ID gets a specific KPI ID. Target value is where we lock in our numerical objectives. The 18% lead conversion ratio or the 12,000 rupee customer acquisition cost. Actual value will be updated by our system as data comes in. UOM, our unit of measure, specifies whether we're tracking percentages, currency, or scores. And notice is locked. This is a critical integrity control. Once a program is active, these target values become read-only to ensure consistent analysis throughout the program's lifecycle. We don't move the goalposts mid-game. Now focus on who leads these crucial programs. Our employee table, part of our HRM module, isn't just a list of staff. Looking into the displayed employee script. Employee ID is a unique, patterned ID like E001. Beyond full name and department, we track designation and, crucially, qualification status. This ensures that only verified, qualified managers are assigned to programs, enhancing accountability and strategic execution. If an employee's qualification status is pending, the system will alert us before they can take on high-stakes program ownership. Let's see this in action within the SandtabLEAP application. When a manager initiates a new program, the system guides them through a precise setup. The window on screen demonstrates adding a new program. First, the program ID is automatically generated, while the employee list is populated from employee table, for assigning the program owner for the new program. Now for the goals, select from a predefined list of objectives including lead conversion ratio, customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, and customer satisfaction. For each chosen goal, the system validates for the target value. This isn't optional, it's mandatory. Once saved, and the program status is updated to active, and these target values are locked. They become our immutable baseline for success. Let's dig deeper into the application a little more. Underneath that slick UI, this is the exact SQL being executed, as visible on the screen. Here's the entry for our Hyderabad Management Student Pilot Program in the program table. Notice the budgeted cost of 500,000 Indian rupees. And here, we define its goals including acquisition efficiency, funnel velocity, and customer value. Finally, the program KPI entries set those crucial targets. 3,000 Indian rupees for CAC, 18% for LCR, and a robust 150,000 Indian rupees for CLV. These numbers aren't just arbitrary, they are the strategic benchmarks for this critical pilot. A CLV to CAC ratio of 12.5 to 1 reflects the expected high returns from our subscription-based software model. The true magic happens when this data comes alive. Our business logic constantly processes incoming information. As campaigns are executed and expenses are recorded, the actual cost in our program table updates automatically, allowing for real-time budget oversight. As leads convert to sales, our actual lead conversion rate is dynamically calculated. This information populates our dashboards, presenting a clear visual comparison of target versus actual performance. Are we hitting our 18% LCR? Is our CAC staying below 3,000? This immediate feedback is invaluable. This isn't just reporting for reporting's sake. This data drives our most critical decisions. For capital investment, if our Hyderabad pilot consistently delivers an actual CAC below target and a strong CLV-ISTO-CAC ratio, it provides irrefutable proof of market fit. This validated data becomes the strongest argument for securing further investment, allowing us to confidently scale the program to new cities. It transforms a maybe into a data-backed yes. For product planning, conversely, if CSAT scores for a specific demographic are consistently low, it flags a critical issue for our R&D team. Perhaps our simulations onboarding experience needs refinement for SME owners compared to tech-savvy students. This direct feedback loop ensures our product evolves in lockstep with genuine market needs, preventing costly missteps. At SpherNova, we don't just simulate business success, we engineer our own. By integrating meticulous program planning with robust data infrastructure and powerful analytics, we ensure every strategic decision is informed, every investment justified, and every product refined. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the SpherNova marketing program.